Here on today's edition of News at 11, I'm Nida Khan. Our top story right now, Anna Hazare is under attack. National Congress Party workers have burnt his effigy in Mumbai. Anna's comment after NCP Chief Sharad Pawar was slapped by an angry man just yesterday is the reason behind the protest against Anna. NCP MPs are also going to raise the issue of the attack on Pawar yesterday in both the Houses of Parliament, which are in fact going to be convened in just about a short while from now. Sharad Pawar was slapped by a man protesting rising prices. The incident had taken place in Delhi just yesterday. Well, after the incident, Anna Hazare had mockingly asked, was Pawar slapped? Only once. And that comment has been criticized by one and all.
The controversial statement given by Ghaziar Anna Hazare has caused a lot of anger amongst the NCP workers. Here they are burning the effigy of Anna Hazare. Let me straight away go to the NCP workers. आप क्या करना चाह रहे हैं? यहाँ पर आपने ट्रैफिक रोक दिया है, अन्ना हजारे का पुतला क्यों फूक रहे हैं?
इनके साथ आपको ले लो। बोलो।
हजारे का यहाँ पर पुतला क्यों फूका जा रहा है?
अन्ना हजारे कादरी कल पवार साहब के बारे में जो उन्होंने वर्ड किया, इसके वजह हम लोग निषेध इसका कर रहे हैं।
लेकिन अन्ना हजारे ने बाद में कह भी दिया था कि वो इस हिंसा की निंदा करते हैं।
नहीं, बाद में बोलने का कुछ फायदा ही नहीं है, पहले बोलना चाहिए ना, ऐसा नहीं करना। आदरणीय पवार साहब
राष्ट्र भर में हम देख रहे हैं यहाँ पर ट्रैफिक अवरोध हुआ है, ट्रेनें रोक दी गई हैं, पुतले फूके जा रहे हैं। आप आगे क्या मांग कर रहे हैं?
हमारे मुंबई के प्रेसिडेंट अमोल मातली जो स्वर है, उनके मार्गदर्शन पर हम लोग पूरे मुंबई के जितने कॉलेजेस है वो सब कॉलेज हम बंद कर डालेंगे, क्योंकि ये निषेध ऐसी तरीके से हम लोग करेंगे कि इसके आगे कोई ऐसा करना। पूरे 120 करोड़ लोग
मांगे क्या है?
हमारी मांगे है कि हरविंदर सिंह को सबसे सब कड़ी सजा, और इसके पीछे कौन है, किसने घड़वाया है, इसके ऊपर भी जांच।
Same scenes have been witnessed throughout Maharashtra. This is the Dadar area in Mumbai. Yesterday we witnessed the same scene in Thane and various other parts of Maharashtra. The NCP workers clearly maintain that unless, of course, Anna Hazare comes to the forefront and regrets his decision, regrets his statement, they will continue with the agitation. With camera person Sandeep, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in Mumbai for Headlines Today.
Well, let's get in more from Pankaj, who's now on the phone line with us. Pankaj, we've just seen the report that you filed for us, but talk us through this as far as this entire issue is concerned. Perhaps this is something that had been preempted. No wonder then that we're talking about a beef up as far as Anna's security is concerned, but nothing really coming out and justifying the protest, even the fact that Anna did make that comment yesterday.
Yeah, absolutely. Even though the NCP leader had said that the NCP workers should maintain calm and should not retaliate to whatever has happened, the NCP workers are not stopping. We have seen the same kind of scenes yesterday as well in Thane area of Mumbai. The trains were stopped, the highway was blocked as well. And this morning, just a few moments back, around 50 to 60 NCP workers gathered and burned the effigy of Anna Hazare. They clearly maintain that this is just the beginning. In fact, they'll be going ahead in the coming days and closing down the schools and colleges in Mumbai. When we asked them, what were they really seeking, because their leader themselves had said that they should not go ahead with such agitation, they really maintained that whatever Anna Hazare had said was really condemnable, and perhaps they meant that unless, of course, Anna Hazare comes forward and gives out the statement saying that he regrets his statement, they will continue with the agitation.
All right, so we've heard from NCP leaders, also Supriya Sule, coming out and saying that matters should not really get out of hand. You're telling us that NCP leaders are telling their party cadres that, they shouldn't try to escalate matters from what they already stand and where they already stand. But despite this is the kind of situation we're seeing. What exactly are we hearing from the Mumbai police? Anything being done to ensure that things do not get out of hand, Pankaj?
Anita, this is just not restricted to Mumbai. As I said, we witnessed the same kind of angry protest, not just in the adjoining area of Mumbai, but many other areas of Maharashtra as well. As we've seen yesterday, all the political fraternities, had said that this act was not good. In fact, same time when Anna Hazare said, that whatever has happened was condemnable, he said it in a second statement when he came out of his house. But then the first statement that he said has really created a lot of problems. At this point of time, police clearly maintains that, yes, they are keeping a very close eye on the NCP workers. In fact, they have even requested the NCP workers to maintain peace, not to agitate. And the biggest thing remains, the NCP leader Sharad Pawar himself has said that the workers should not go out and agitate. In spite of this, we are witnessing angry scenes, not just in Mumbai, but various other areas. But what worrying thing right now really remains is the NCP workers clearly maintain that they're going to shut down the colleges in the days to come.
Right.
So it really remains, what sort of scenes are we really going to see in the days to come?
All right, let's just hope and pray that things stay under control. We've seen the kind of advisory that has come forward from NCP leaders. Despite that, these are the kind of scenes that we're witnessing as far as the party cadre really is